Help your garden grow and make your experience easier with the best gardening tools. To build your own garden toolkit, here are 10 essentials every gardener should have. A garden shovel for digging holes, lifting soil and moving material. A garden trowel for light digging in small spaces and some weeding and transplanting. A garden rake for spreading mulch. Pruning shears for tasks like trimming and deadheading. A spade for digging, cutting, edging, and trenching. A transplanter for more easily digging holes and moving plants from a pot or a different spot in your yard. A standard garden hoe for chopping and weeding. A lopper for cutting and pruning thicker branches. A bedding fork for easily moving large amounts of mulch. A leaf rake for general cleanup of leaves in your garden and yard. Don't forget a good pair of gardening gloves to protect your hands while you work. When choosing your tools, keep size and weight in mind. Larger tools are more efficient but are heavier. Lightweight tools with cushioned grips make it more comfortable to work for longer periods. The tool's handle makes a difference too. Longer handles extend your reach in the garden. Shorter handles are better for tight spaces. Now you know some of the best tools for gardening. It's time to get to work.